shit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are not eating, we're gonna do a challenge. It is called the rubber band challenge or the watermelon bomb challenge. And what you have to do is you have to take a rubber band and you have to put it around the watermelon and see if the rubber band can
suffocate the watermelon and
pop the watermelon. And whoever watermelon pops first wins, and the loser, we're gonna drench them down with a hose for 30 seconds.
I'm gonna lose.
All right guys, we are going to start. It's not a timed challenge, it's just about, okay? All right.
And it's hot out here.
It is hot. All right, we're gonna start and go. This gonna take long, like a baby.
Take a long time, you know? I'm gonna squeeze him up, man. Is that easy though? And the rubber pop in your face.
I know, that's the problem. Imagine we had got the really skinny ones. No, sir. I wonder if this gonna really work.
It's gonna really work. Gonna see. Shit. Tom, you're moving fast. First day you're fast on the rubber man. Come like the watermelon pregnant. You think you're slick. That's what y'all go up on it.
Yo, the watermelon feel tough enough. You think it's gonna really pop like this?
We see.
Imagine we do it family and it don't pop. It's a box side.
It'll pop. Just gotta get it the right way. It'll pop.
You're fixing yours all nice and neat.
No, I'm not telling you the trick.
What's the trick?
I'm not telling her the trick, guys. Probably. It's hot out here. We need to get wet anyway. So somebody need to get wet.
Something they talk? Get wet?
Somebody go get wet out here. The other wet, guys. All right, family, the other wet. Not that kind of wet. Yo. See, that plate hold it good.
The plate hold, the bowl hold it really good. That's a good idea. Because other than that, this one will work. And the little high glass thing would have been too high. It would have been dropping on.
Let's see.
How much rubber bands do you think you put on here, baby love?
I don't know. No one. The hot door, I got certain video here.
I think this was 700 rubber bands in here.
Yeah.
We got it from Staples.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Getting tight. What that mean? Yep.
Of course, we're gonna speed this up because when we can't sit on here and watch us put a million rubber bands on this something.
Yeah, we have to speed up. Good, Tom. Y'all think it's gonna work? Comment down below if y'all
gonna. I was gonna say that. Leave a comment
if y'all think it's gonna work. We are here in the desert, son.
North of Florida, hot man. It's early in the morning. It feels like it's 3 in the morning.
Leave a comment, guys. Let us know, family. So how is y'all Monday going? You know how it is already.
We had a great weekend.
Weekend was good. Can't complain. No, right, First Lady?
Yeah, man. Can't complain.
Can't complain.
You're off. You're off on vacation.
Still on vacation, you know?
And we had a great weekend. Just chilled.
The sun ain't no joke, though. You tired, huh? Use my shirt. My shirt. My shirt.
You smell good. You always smell good.
So you think it's gonna work?
Oh, mother! The blood fire. A long time you want to do that.
No. You have something in here?
Something not friggin' move, man. Something naga bus.
You look like you're having a twin.
Something naga bus. I can't do 2 at a time because I feel.
Yeah, man.
I can't do 2 at a time because I feel like it's gonna.
There'll be problems out here.
Guys, I don't know why I decided to do this. Why you let me talk you into doing this?
Keep rubber banding. You know what I'm saying? We got to see. You know what I mean? We'll be out of surroundings. You feel me? We got it. You feel me? We got to watch.
2 hours later.
How much rubber band do it take to get to the bottom of the watermelon? Blah, 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 blah.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You remember that they say, how much
how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll Pop?
So how many rubber band did it take to get to the center of a watermelon pop? Oh my God, look at this family. And it's still, oh, come on. What the hell? My head tired. Shit, that shit worse than eating my jaw. Alright family, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna try to finish these pack of rubber band.
Thanks for rooting us on. Thanks for
cheering us on.
Yeah, thanks for cheering us on.
Come over here, little one.
Mama, it's not working.
It's not working. Come over here. It's not going, girl.
Can you guys see my volleyball? I know it's wet. I just want to know what it is.
We didn't see a volleyball. Come over here.
Nobody mess with your volleyball. So
Come around here.
You don't have your own slippers?
Look, tell the family it's not working. We're trying.
You have to keep going.
Yeah, I gotta keep going. I don't know what's going
You
on.
have to keep doing it. It's a lot.
It's a lot.
Have you guys been keeping count?
No.
No, we're supposed to keep counting.
I mean, you don't have to, but to know.
Girl, we just wanted to pop. We don't care about to keep no count.
Hello. Excuse.
Mine look like it's dented in though, Mama. Look, feel it. I feel like it's going in.
Yeah. So just keep doing it.
Oh, you're so encouraging.
I know.
we almost gave up 3 times
I
already.
know.
She gone. She did 3 rubber bands.
She did 3 rubber band family.
So
and
imagine
leave.
how much we do and how much tired we are.
And then she come down here telling us to count, like she's imagining us.
And we'll keep on going and she do 2 and gone. See how them stare?
Yo!
I cannot.
How many packs does it take to get to the bottom of the watermelon pop? So it should have been the challenge.
If it does not.
24 hours later.
If I made it this far, might as well wait and see if it pop.
There, guys.
It's getting there, guys.
See how it looks? Look at that. It's coming in. It's coming in, guys. I can hear it.
Yeah, it's getting there.
I'm trying to put as much on as I can. Oh, shit.
Yo!
Did he get it? Did he get it?
Yeah? It just, that shit scared me. Look, you. Let him see you. Let him see you. Family, you see her?
You see?
Oh my gosh.
Yo.
Wow, it works.
That
Tell me,
is
First
shit
Lady.
funny.
Now this one gonna be a trouble.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Yo.
Wow. Damn, you got soaked like you was in a water slide or something, a watermelon slide.
Watermelon slide. For
That
real,
was fun.
son.
Uh-oh, you hear that thunder?
Yep.
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming, family. Uh-oh.
How you jumped up so quick though?
What?
I was still sitting down. I still didn't know what happened. I was like, wait, the friggy.
It's coming. It's gonna go. It's gonna go.
I'm scared.
It's coming.
It's coming.
It's coming. Yeah. Look now, First Lady, look now. We don't eat watermelon, but we gotta do one for the team. We've been out here for so long.
But look.
Yeah.
Oh, you can't bring that out.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Yeah. Let's see. We don't eat it, but Not pussy.
All right, guys, so make sure you can see him good. We're gonna wet his ass up.
I lost.
I want his water to get. I'm waiting for the water to get cold. He think he's slick.
I lost.
Guys, the water's nice and cold now. Okay. 30 seconds. Count with me, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 28, 29, 30!
Alright guys, I lost.
Peace out.
Peace out fam. She won.
Shit, that was funny as hell.
Bye.